I know every other person that's come down with COVID at this point.
Quebec reaching a record-breaking number of cases on Tuesday, with 5,043 new infections recorded in the last 24 hours in the province. Lineups at testing sites like this one, the norm these days. Health officials confirmed Omicron represents 80% of current cases in Quebec. The province seeing a 111% increase in cases over the last 7 days. The government tightening restrictions, shutting down schools, bars, gyms, theaters, and reducing restaurant hours and capacity in half. As the highly contagious Omicron variant gains strength, hospital staff fear they're at a breaking point.
It is evident that this variant is very contagious. Our hospitals have been overwhelmed. This is not new. However, this is just going to push it over the edge.
Hospitalizations in Quebec up by 42% and ICU numbers by 17% over the last week. Montreal Mayor Valérie Plante declaring a state of emergency for the city Tuesday. And Quebec Premier François Legault on Twitter hinting at new measures coming Wednesday, that decisions will be made based on the province's ability and capacity to treat patients.
Our reality is that we do see the gross severity of it. And we need people to stay at home and be safe during this holiday season. Unfortunately, I'm sad to say, but it's not something that I wanted for anybody this year.
Look at this lineup for COVID testing in Montreal North, and then this one in Verdun at the Douglas. The entire road leading up to the site filled. Health Minister Christian Dubé asking Quebecers to only get tested if symptomatic.
I think that's quite a tricky road he's heading down, because if you're going to tell them not to get tested, that's also telling them that they can still go out and do whatever they have to do.
Pharmacies handing out free rapid tests as of Monday, but quickly running out. The government saying more are on the way, but many feeling abandoned by the Quebec government. One Twitter user saying, "So I got COVID. I'm doing relatively fine, no major symptoms. But yesterday was an embarrassment. My wife and I, along with hundreds of others, waited 2 hours outside to get tested at a public clinic. 2 hours outside. The workers inside were burnt out. Do better, Mr. Dubé." Another, can't get a booster, can't get tested, and no access to rapid tests. What is the solution here? And this one, wonder how many people are going to catch COVID by simply waiting in line for hours to get tested with other people who are sick or have come in contact with someone with COVID. Our system is ridiculous. Make it make sense.
How contagious this is absolutely insane. Don't get me wrong, but we shouldn't be in this type of mess again.
In Montreal, Brittany Henriques, City News.